log into Controller Web. At the bottom, you have the administration. Click on administration. That will open up a whole new page. And as you can see, one of them is databases. So we click on that, and what you'll see is 3 backups. You just basically select your database, and then you say create backup, give it a name. So we did CCR02. Let's just say CCR02_ backup, because we're doing CCR, and create backup. Click on that, and success. It's doing it. And look, it's done. It took literally 1 minute. So there you go, it's done. So that is now done. Now what you could do with that, you can click on there and you can do restore. So if you click on restore, it'll give you, I'm going to restore because I don't want to click, but if I say click on O2, all I need to do is select the button and do restore. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to cancel that for now because I don't want to restore it.